Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 5th standard, in your textbook part 2, term 2, chapter number 1, percentage is there. Dear students, first of all, your meaning of percentage. The percentage means percent, per percent, that is percentage. Percentage means you can percentage to 100 only, to the 100, percent to the 100, otherwise percent is simply a fractions with denominator is 100 is called, that is percentage. Okay, take the fractions to the with the denominator is 100 is called, that is percentage. And also the symbol of percentage is like this. Symbol of percentage is like symbol percentage. In the percentage, very easy chapter. You can convert it percentage into fractions, fractions into percentage. These legs are here. Some questions are here. First question is, write the following fractions as a percentage. Given 4 examples are in the fractions are here. You can write it percentage. First one, solution. First A. Given fraction is what? 25 or 100 is the. Therefore, this is fractions. Write in percentage. Percentage is very easy. Denominator is 100 is that. You can write it directly. Numerator 25. The symbol is percentage. That is over. Second one B. 42 by 100 is that. Therefore, when the denominator is 100. You can write directly in numerator 42, that is percentage. Next, third one is what? 85 by 100 is that. Therefore, this percentage is directly 85 percentage. Last one, 99 by 100 is that. Therefore, this percentage is directly 99 percentage. 99 percentage. And also, in the second one, in the first one, fractions has a percentage. In this one, percentage has a fractions. Okay, solution very easy. First one is what? A 35 percentage is the 35 percentage you can convert it to the fractions. Very easy, is equal to 35 by 100. And second one, B 54 percentage is the is equal to 54 by 100. Percentage and fractions. Next third one, 80 percentage is equal to 80 by 100. Last one, 20 percentage is 20 percentage is equal to 20 by 100. Otherwise, you can write simplification also of problem. 3500 means you can simplification 5 sevens are 520 is equal to 7 by 20. This is simplest form or reducing form. This one also 2 to the 4, 2 sevens are 14 by 50. Next one, this one 80, 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, 2 4 are 2 5s are. Next this one 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are 1 by 5. This like fractions are. These all are reducing fractions are simplest or lowest term. What is next? Some questions are here. Okay. Next one is some questions are here. First conversion is conversion involving percentage. Conversion of involving the percentage. First some question. Solution. Question is convert 3 by 5 into the percentage. 3 by 5 is the fractions. You can convert a fraction into the percentage. First of all, fraction is 3 by 5 is this fraction you can multiplication any one number you can make the denominator is 100. Therefore, 3 by 5 into 20 by 20 is equal to 20 by 20 is make the 100 denominator. 3 into 2 means 3 to the 60, 23 the 60 divided by 5 to the 10, 1 0 100. Therefore, 60 by 100 is the 60 by 100 means that is 60 percentage is this is over. In the second one also solution given fraction is mixed fraction is there, one integer 2 by 3 is there, is equal to, like in your improper fractions, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 3 is there. 5 by 3, you can convert it into the percentage. Percentage is also, for this one, make the denominator is 100, that is impossible, so you can take directly 100. Otherwise, this method is also here, and also enter method is there. Enter method, the given fraction is 3 by 5, you can take into 100, anyone into 100 is there. Therefore, 3 into 100 is 300 divides 5, therefore 5 ones are 5 6 60 percentage. This is the same method. The given fraction is 5 by 3 is there. You can take into 100. 500 by 3 is there. Therefore, you can multiplication. This is improper fractions. You can convert to the mixed fractions. 3 ones are 3. Remaining 2 is the 3 6 are 80. Remaining 2 is the again 3 6 are 80. Remaining 2 is the 166 integer 2 by 3 percentage. This is your answer. The percentage is what? 166 integer 2 by 3 percentage. You can convert the fractions into the percentage. The next question, converting decimals into the percentage. The given questions in the decimal, you can convert it into percentage. Solution, therefore, the given percentage 0.55 percentage is the 0.55 percentage. You can convert it into percentage. This 0.55 is 55 by 100, same as it is. 55 by 100. 55 by 100, this percentage is only directly 55 percentage. And the second one, therefore, solution also here. 7.5 decimal is the, this decimal into the fractions. You can write fraction is what? 75 by 10 is the, you can take the percentage, denominator is only 10 is the, you can take 100. Multiplication 100 by 100. Therefore, 75 by 100. Therefore, 75 by percentage. 75% is the. Or otherwise, this like also same as in the converted percentage into the fractions. Sorry, this one is 75 into 10 means 750 is the denominator is the. Therefore, this one is 750 percentage. 750 percentage. Next one, converting percentage into the fractions. The given percentage is the, you can write in your fractions. Solution. First one, A percentage is 15 percentage. 15 percentage you can convert in a fraction, that is 15 by 100. 15 by 100 is the, this lowest term or simplest term. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 3 by 20 is the fraction. Got it? Next, second one, B. 32 percentage is that. 32 percentage into the fractions, that is 32 by 100 is the. Therefore, this simplest form or lowest form is 2 1s are 2 6s are. Next 2 5s are, therefore 16 by 50. The next simplest form also is same as it is. 4 1s are 4. Next 2 25s are 2 8s are. Therefore 8 by 25 is your simplest form. Last one is what? See what 80 percentage is the 80 percentage into the fraction, that is 80 by 100. 80 by 100 is equal to 1 0 1 0 cancel. Remaining is only 8 by 100, 10 only. This simplest form is 2 4s are 2 5s are. Therefore, 4 by 5 is our fraction. 4 by 5 is the fractions. The first one is what? Conversion involving the percentage. Next, converting decimal into the percentage. Next, converting percentage into the fractions. Next one, check question once again. Next conversion is okay. Next one is converting percentage into decimals. Express each of the following has a decimals. The first one is solution is what? The first one, a 12% is 12% is 2. You can convert it. That is decimal sign. 12% is 12 by 100 is fractions. This fraction into the decimal is 0.12. That is decimal. Denominator is 20. You can take 2 digit after point. That is 0.12 is a decimal. Second, B12. 43% is there. 43% is equal to write the possible fractions. That is 43 by 100 is equal to the decimal point is very easy 0.43. Next one, C12. 98% is there. You can write in the fractions 98 by 100 is equal to only 0.98 is the decimal. Last one is what? 124% is there is equal to 124 divides 100. Divides 100 is there. This fraction into decimal divides it. Denominator is 2 zeros are here. 2 digit after point. You can take 2 digit after point. That is 1.24 is the decimal is there. 1.24 is the decimal. Next one, find 20% of 80 meter. Solution, 20% of 80 meter. Total meter is 80. You can find out the 20% of 80. 20% means 20 by 100 into 80 meter is equal to 81. Simplification. 1 0 cancel. 1 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 2 8 is 16 meter. 16 meter is the 80% is of 80 meter. Next, B12. 50% is of 16 days. That is 13 days are here. You can find out 50% means 50 by 100 into 60. 1 0 cancel. 1 0 cancel. Next, this 0 cancel. 0 cancel. Therefore, 5 6 30 days. 30 days are here. Last question. Therefore, 40% of 24 kg. Therefore, C1 40% means 40 by 100 into total kg is 24 kg is equal to 0 1 0 cancel 1 0 cancel. Next, 2 5s are 2 2s are. Next, denominator 5 is there. That is impossible. Next, 24 2s are 48 by 5 is the kg. You can convert in improper to mixed fractions. 5 9s are 45. Remaining 3 is the 9 integer 3 by 5 kg. 9 integer 3 by 5 kg is there. That is a 40% of 24. What is last one example? Your word examples are here. Only one example. Okay, last question. Word example is the example number 1. There are 45 students in a class. 60% students are boys in your classroom. Total number of students is 45 is there. In the 45 students, only 60% students are boys, but remaining, what is the number of girls in the class? Okay, very easy questions. Solution. Therefore, total number of students is equal to 45. But boys percentage is given. You can find out the number of boys. Total boys is equal to boys percentage is what? 60%. 60% into the fraction. Therefore 60 by 100 total is 45. Simplification. 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel. 5 2s are 5 9s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore 3 into 9 is equal to 27 students. Boys only 27 students are boys. But what about girl? Therefore number of girls are is equal to total number is 45 minus boys. Total students minus boys students. Therefore total is 45 minus 27 is equal to 45 minus 27 is what? 3 10 30 18 is only 18 girls. 18 girls are here. The answer is only 18 girls. Okay, dear students, this percentage chapter very easy questions are here. Practice more example in your textbook, in your exercise. I shall continue next class.